Hello everyone. So welcome to the past paper discussion. Here we have the first question in this particular paper. So it is based on statistics, very simple question. A two-way table is given to us like math and science code. Then we need to work on, this is a regression line on y is equal to ax plus b. So that is the important thing to note. And then we need to find what is a and what is b, the respective Pearson coefficient for it. And that is a prediction based question. So it's basically it's completely based on the calculated paper, right? So let's go with finding a and b. Let me share the different screen here. Okay. So first, in order to graph it, we have two variables, right? So open in your home page, like first make a list, kind of the tabulation will open. And here at the top, you make X and Y, whatever the name, right? So on X and Y, we need to give the list in the same way. So 64 is the math score. So X I take as math score, right? 64 and then 68, 72, 75, 80. And this is very important. 82, 85, and 86. In that way, then science code. So here you need to make the changes. 67, 72, 77, 76, 84, 83, and 89, 91. So you can cross check it. All are well defined here. So the next part we are going to do is, so click on the menu and go for statistics. So stat calculation, if you hover over it, you will have one variable statistics and two variable statistics, linear regression. So we are calculating linear regression, and two things we can see here. We are going to pick mx plus b form, right? Y is equal to mx plus b. So select it. Our next list, we named it as X. Y list, we named it as Y. You will have the drop down also. You can use it. It's already defined. So that's it. Now we can scroll down and give OK for it, right? So here the list have been produced, and here we have. So your regression equation is mx plus b format we choose. This is my m, this is my b, and r square. R square we are not using it. We need just Pearson coefficient for this question. So all this a and b, but in the question they said ax plus b. Here we have mx plus b. So your m here acts as a in the question. So that's simple. We can just use it. Okay. So m, b, and r. All this we can get. Let's switch the question part now. Right. So the value of a we got as directly copied from that. A is equal to 1.01206. Then b value we got, that is the m, right, in our calculator. And then it's 2.4523. That's it. The first part is over. Then Pearson coefficient, it's r, not r squared. So we get r is, I'm just writing every values. We can approximate to 3 significant figures. That's also fine. So 981464. So it's also done. Then there is a prediction question. So actually the question is, when a student got 78 in science, then what 78 in math, what is his science score estimate, right? So we can just y is equal to ax plus b. Let's make this approximate linear regression equation. It's 1.01206x plus 2.4523. And just substitute it now. Y is equal to 1.01206 times 78 plus 2.4523. So this also we can do with calculator. We'll get an approximated science score for it. And here we will close this problem. That's simple. The first ever problem in this paper. Let's solve this here. So take a calculator. Yes. So we got that equation 1.01206 times 78 plus 2.4523. And that's simple. So this will, it is 81.39. And let's close the question. So if its math score is 78, the respective science score is approximately 81.393. That's simple. So it's a very simple a linear regression concept. Only thing we note here is y is equal to ax plus b. Sometimes we will have regression of x on y and y on x. That's the basic difference. So if you are correct here, everything with the help of calculator we can do. Right. And that's it for today. Thank you.